kind folk at Evolution very kindly accidentally sent me this bare unit recip saw. Now, I've never owned a recip saw, so I'm quite excited to actually have a look at what one is, have a play with it. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then we're going to go and find some stuff. I'm going to cut some stuff up. This is the bare unit, which retails in the UK for around about £80. If you want the loaded version, you also get one of the chargers and also a 2 amp battery, and it is roughly about £150. So in the box you get your normal instructions, don't need them. We get a pack of blades, which is a wood cut and a thin steel cut. It'll cut up to 230mm in wood and roughly 20mm thick mild steel plate, I believe. And of course we have the actual tool itself. Now, without a battery, this weighs in at around 2 kilograms. It is a 1-speed device. Again, as normal, it has a safety trigger and a trigger on. So for the testing, what we will do, I will use the 2 amp battery, as that's what it's supplied with in the kit. So to insert the blade, there's a little knob here that sticks out. Just want to press that down, it goes anti-clockwise, and you can insert the blade. Let go and it's in. Now this blade will also be reversible and it can go in either direction, no problem. I've also picked up some strep blades to see if they will actually indeed go into the recip saw. It does indeed go in, so it looks like you can use any other manufacturer blade that you wish also in this saw. So let's get outside, find some stuff, and let's go cut some stuff up. So first up, I had this old chair that I'd use as a template. It's just 40mm MDF, but as you can see, it absolutely flew through it. Next up was this tree stump that I've had in the back garden for ages that I need to get rid of. Of course, storm. I had to come and have a look, see what was happening. The saw still managed to get through quite well, and as you can see, this was quite a chunky piece. It would benefit from using a 4 amp battery. Just cutting out a little bit of MDF and these two big sort of branches has pretty much flattened the 2 amp battery. Other than that, quite impressed with it, so I need to find lots of other things just to cut up for the sake of cutting up. Catch you next time.